In this SQL challenge, we're going to learn how to solve a medium difficulty problem called 3 purchases from Amazon. This is actually a pretty easy problem if your database system like SQL Server or Postgres that supports intersect operator. Let's look at the description. The problem asks us to list the ID values of customers who made at least 3 orders in both 2020 and 2021. Whenever we see a problem mention the phrase at least, which is an indication to use group by 2 group rows. And we are giving a table called Amazon orders, containing the order details. To solve this problem, first, let's query the customers who made at least 3 orders in 2020. Then insert the intersect operator followed by the user IDs in 2021 to filter the list of user IDs that appear in both tables. And that's it. If we run the query, it will give us the 2 customer IDs that appear in both tables who made at least 3 orders in 2020 and 2021. Double check the output and click Check Solution. If your solution is correct, the system will mark the question as solved. And that is everything I am going to cover for this SQL challenge tutorial. I hope you guys find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.